Hey guys, long time no see. I cannot believe it has been so long, like literally 3 months since I've made a video, and a lot has been going on in my life. Namely, my little daughter Jannah, who I think might wake up any moment now. It's been so hard for me to even try and record a video. And she's, mashallah, she's had a bath today and has been sleeping so well. I keep looking over there because I can see her moving. She's about to cry. No, please don't cry. Please go back to sleep. But yeah, how are you guys? How's everybody doing? I hope you're all doing well and are staying safe and happy and healthy during these crazy times. Even though like COVID seems to have been gone in the UK, we still have it. And because of that, a lot of my friends and colleagues, they didn't get a chance to see Jannah, so they only got to see her through pictures, which was kind of sad because I really wanted them to see her when she's so tiny. But yeah, alhamdulillah, I had a really good birth. Let me just tell you, the induction was terrible, but I'm going to leave that for another story. That's probably going to be my update video, which is probably going to be next after this one. But I really wanted to update you guys on my skincare, because I don't know about you, but I feel like my skin is looking healthy and glowy, and touch wood, or alhamdulillah, I have not had any crazy spots for a really long time. And I think part of it was because of the pregnancy, but since then as well, my skin's been really good. And I just want to update you guys on new products that I've been trying, and just like an updated skincare routine. So if you guys are into that, or if you guys are interested and you love skincare, then just keep watching and we'll jump straight in. So this is where I keep all of my skincare that I'm testing and trying, and there's a lot in here, but some I just use for like emergencies, or I have it in here to test and try. But yeah, the majority of the stuff that I'm going to tell you guys about is in here. So I do not have a crazy extensive skincare routine. I've kind of, you know, leveled it down, figured out what my skin is like and what it needs on the daily. It's constantly changing all the time. But yeah, and this is what I finally have for now. And obviously it's going to keep switching up. And if you guys would like updates and stuff like that, then I'd be happy to do that for you guys. Okay, so the first thing that I go in with is my facial wash. The face wash I have been using, normally I use my simple face wash, but I bought this quite a while ago because I really wanted to test it out, and I was really interested in the fact that it said it was a low pH cleanser. So that's why I really wanted to test it out. Now, I never got to using it until I finished my simple face wash, but I still do have backups of those. So yeah, I've been using this for like God knows how long, probably like 6 months straight. I've had this for that long, ever since I posted about it on my Instagram. This is from a brand called Cosrx, which is a Korean brand. This is what it looks like. It's the low pH Good Morning Gel Cleanser. It says it's formulated with purifying botanical ingredients. It has a low pH formula which soothes and softens the skin and doesn't strip the skin of any of its natural oils, which I really like about this. And I've tried it and I can vouch for that. My skin, after washing off my makeup or my skincare, or just generally at the end of the night, this has been so good. There is a slight scent to it. It smells kind of like when it's something's come fresh out the factory, kind of smells like that. But other than that, this foams up so quickly, and you only need the tiniest amount. Like literally all I need is a drop for the whole of my face and neck. So this has been a really nice face wash. I would say that after I finish this, I'm going to probably go back to the simple one, because to me this and the simple one are very similar. I've not seen any differences, but it'll be interesting to see if there are actually any differences in me getting spots and stuff like that afterwards when I go back to that one. And if there is, then I'll leave the updates down below in the description box. Okay, I switched up my toner simply because Boots don't sell their cheap toner anymore. They used to sell their own brand toner, which was basically, they always used to have an offer. It was £1.50 or like buy two get one free, so it'd be like £3, £1 a bottle, and you'd get 150 mils in there. And I just put it into my bottle. Sorry about the squeaky chair. I put it into this bottle that I bought from Poundland. It's a pump bottle, and it just pump onto my cotton pad, which I really do like. If this was from Poundland, if you're really into something like that, then I'd pick this up. But yeah, the one I switched to is from Simple. I went back to this one because Obviously I trust Simple as a brand, and none of their products ever affect my skin in a negative way. So this is a soothing facial toner, 100% alcohol free, and it's kind to skin, and it's just, I just like using this just to calm my skin down and just tone it and prep it for the rest of my skincare, and it's getting the job done, so I really like that a lot. Oh, let me talk about tools. I forgot to talk about tools. Now, I've been dabbling a little bit in facial brushes, and the first one that I picked up was from Agora. My friend Panna, well, I think she's my friend, I don't know if she thinks I'm her friend, but she's such a cool girl on Instagram. She was able to, because I don't have an iPhone, no one in my family does, so she was able to actually buy this for me and trusted me. So then I'd sent her the payment, and she even got me the discount as well, and it was like 15 pound for, I don't even know, £12 or something crazy like that. And I got a face brush, and this one's from Magnitone, and like a bunch of other stuff. And this is the reason why I wanted it, because I have always been interested in face brushes, but like cleansing brushes, but they've always been so expensive. So I picked this, well, I got this one thanks to Panna again, and yeah, it has, ooh, gosh, it's quite strong, but the bristles vibrate, they don't actually rotate or anything like that, but it does a really good job. After you've done 15 seconds, like it's up to a minute, 15 seconds for each part of the face, and it helps to cleanse further into the skin. Now, using this, I really do like it, but I've noticed I can't use it often, otherwise my skin starts to get irritated by it. I especially love using this all the time on my nose though, because it really cleans out my pores. So I've really been enjoying using this, especially if you get clogged pores a lot. This is amazing. The second one was kindly, very, very kindly sent to me. This company Duvolle reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to try it out, and I was like, hell yes, of course. But this is a whole set. The device runs on batteries, 4 AA batteries, and you get 2 facial brush heads, and it came really, really quickly. And this is what it looks like, and I've also been wanting to try, like, this is what I was into at first, this is what I wanted to get. And let me turn it on for you guys so you can see this one. You can see it rotates, the brush head does. And the amazing thing about this is it comes with so many other heads. Like, this one is really, really soft, so I can use this every day when I remove my makeup and, you know, remove my skincare from the day, my SPF, and it really, really cleans my face well without feeling harsh on the skin. It comes with a manual all about how to use it. This is the second brush. This one is good at exfoliating deeper into the skin and, you know, unclogging those pores and, you know, just getting through those layers and just cleaning your face really, really well. I would just use this like once a week. And then the body brush is amazing. So good. It feels so nice on the skin. It exfoliates all those dead skin cells off your body. I've used this on my body, and because it's such a large brush, it covers a really big surface area, and my skin feels so much softer and smoother after using this, and it just feels like such a nice spa treatment. The pumice is supposed to be good at getting rid of the dead skin cells off your feet, which, you know, we all have dead skin cells on our feet, so I can't wait to try this. I haven't tried that yet. But yeah, thank you so much, Duvolle, for sending this set out to me. I am so excited to carry on using it. So Duvolle was so kind enough to offer my subscribers 70% off this whole set. So you can get 70% off this Duvolle face brush set with the body brush, with an extra exfoliating brush and a pumice brush, like an all-in-one. And my code is just ambreen, my name. So that should be easy to remember, and I'll also list it in the description box below if you are interested. Guys, go check it out. It's so worth it. And let me know what you think of it as well. Yep, so they do ship to the UK if you are interested. I would have to double check on the other countries. The set will be $28.50, which converts to about 20 quid if you're in the UK, which I think is such a bargain. Guys, check it out. Use my code ambreen down below for you guys. You can thank me later and let me know what you think of that set, because I think it's such a bargain. There are a couple of things I've been using from the Ordinary. I've been using their products for a long time, and I've been wanting to update you guys on some of the products I've been using. I'm no longer going to buy from them, unfortunately, once I get through these products. But yeah, so the products I have been using obviously is my niacinamide. This is a new one. I've gone through like 3 or 4 of these, and I love using this for my pores. It's like a thicker serum every couple of days, and I apply it to the whole of my face, like about 4 drops. Yeah, as you can see, the dropper, oh, my hands are shaking, but it's like a thick serum. At first when I was using it, I was like, whoa, I'm wasting my money here, I don't think it's really doing anything. But when I stopped using it, then I noticed my pores were getting clogged much quicker than when I was using this. So I have been enjoying that, and yeah, I hope the Inkey list, which is kind of like very similar to this, also have a niacinamide. Let me know down below if they do. If you have tried the Inkey list or the Ordinary, let me know what you think. But yeah, the other thing I have been using is this. This is the Ordinary again. This is called the Marine Hyaluronics, and it's supposed to be an ultra lightweight hydration support. So it's supposed to help hydrate the skin further with your other skincare products. Now I do like a lot of hydrating products, even though my skin type, I forgot to tell you guys, is normal to kind of oily, kind of dry. Like I get dry patches around my nose and sometimes around my mouth, but then I'll get oily like around my pore area and my forehead and the tip of my nose and stuff, like even my chin. So yeah, I'm a combination, normal to combination skin. So I've been using this, and to me, I don't think I would buy it again. I don't think I'd buy it again, simply because, hear me out, texture of it is very watery, which I was not expecting. I was hoping it was going to be like a serum-y product, which makes it like sink into the skin and like hydrate the skin nicely. But this is very watery. It's kind of almost like a toner. So for that reason, I don't think it does enough. I use it as a layering product, but in future I won't be buying this again. But look, yes, it is very watery, and like the pipette doesn't even hold the product well. But yeah, the other thing, oh yes, I have got an Inkey list product here. This is their hyaluronic acid. Now I tried the hyaluronic acid from the Ordinary, and I didn't actually like it, which is weird because I've liked a lot of the Ordinary products. But yeah, Amina on Instagram also has been raving about this a lot, and I totally agree with her. This is so amazing. It's a serum, and it's so good at hydrating the skin and giving your skin a nice glow as well, which is always a bonus. And it hydrates the skin, and it's just a really nice serum. I'll definitely check it out, and it's so affordable as well. Guys, check that out. So the final product I'm going to talk to you guys about for this update is, this was sent to me by Colu's Beauty. I won a giveaway she was doing on her Instagram quite a while back. I don't even know if she remembers. She's just lovely as well, and her Instagram page is so nice. You can clearly tell I've been spending a lot of time on Instagram. But this is the Dr. Lip Tint, and it's the Sweet Potato Pigment, 100% natural. Now I'm going to apply this to my lips because why not? It is very glossy, and it's a bit on the thicker side, but it stays all night. I don't care, I wear this at night because the tint isn't crazy, and because this is 100% natural, I seriously do not mind wearing it at night. And I'm telling you, this keeps my lips so hydrated, and this is so affordable compared to their competitor, which is Lano Lips. And I'm so grateful she gave this to me. And apparently you can use Dr. Lip. They do like nipple balms for if you're breastfeeding. That's why I've been so into it. I haven't tried it like that yet, but I'm telling you, this is such an amazing balm for the lips. This to me is very similar to the Elizabeth Arden 8-hour cream, whereas this is just 100% natural. I would definitely go for this. I'm telling you, if you guys have cracked, chapped, dry, flaky lips, use this. You will thank me. Such a beautiful look at that. You can dupe as a lip gloss as well. It's so good and comfortable on the skin, not sticky at all. It feels like a balm. It's amazing. Okay, So 2 other Korean skincare products I have. One is the Missha Super Aqua Ice Tear Toner. Look, you can see I've nearly finished it. Also I have the Emulsion. Yeah, so I have been using the Emulsion and the toner. I've had help from my nephew, niece and sister to help finish this off. The toner, obviously I don't mind using. I like layering this up a lot. If you don't like scents, you won't like these. But the scent is kind of like a spa treatment, so it's actually quite nice in that sense. But yeah, I'm nearly finished the toner. The Emulsion, I've got quite a lot left. I might pass it on, but again, these were products that were good for layering, but I didn't notice a massive difference. Like, I could not use these and be fine, use them and still be fine. So yeah, I probably won't be picking these up again. That's literally all of the skincare products I have been trying and testing and using to look after my skin during pregnancy, during birth, during looking after a tiny baby and not getting enough sleep and stuff like that. And I think my skin looks pretty decent. Okay guys, so if you did enjoy this video, if you do love skincare videos and you do love trying out new products, leave me anything that you've been trying down below, anything that I should be trying, let me know. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's nice to see you all back. I'm so happy to be back. Hopefully my daughter sleeps well like she has today and lets me record videos for you guys. But yeah, sorry I've been gone a long time. I hope you guys can understand. I will leave a beautiful picture of my daughter here as a present to you guys. Please keep us in your duas. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.